Alright, so while I have this 2019 Pilot, we're going to take out the cabin filter, which looks the same as every other one, and someone looks like it's already been in here. This was taken off, but I'm assuming one screw there, and I'm leaving it. I'm not going to, actually, you know what? I'm going to put it back. I'm going to show you how to do it. Pause. Alright, so I removed that one screw, so I'm actually going to fix what's been taken apart already. I'm going to put it back properly. So obviously one screw to take this guy off. All this does is slow it down as it closes. That's all it does. Actually, no, actually it goes up on there. I'm gonna put it back there then. You know what? We'll put on the screw, just because. Anyway, so let's take the glove box out. We're gonna squeeze this side in, squeeze this side in. So let's show you. One hand. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? No. Let's see. I'm gonna use my pinky. Haha, I won. There she is. There she blows. Oh, and this car, by the way, oh my God, it's so loud, so loud. Like, you feel the suction power, but sheesh, it's super loud. Let's take it all the way out. Let's see what we got going on here. Yep, just a tray. There you go. Put her back. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.